Hello, my name is Jim Mullany from Sitek Process Solutions. Today is Monday, December 18th, 2023. Today I'm doing a video source inspection for two Sitek 860F spin rinse dryers. For the privacy of our customer, we do not give their name on our videos, but their PO ends in 7052. This customer has purchased multiple units from us, and this is just two more going into their fab. This customer actually buys our slick device controller, but because of the urgency of having to be on their dock by this Thursday, we're back ordering the slick devices. They'll be shipping in the next couple days. It takes about 5 minutes each to change them out, so it's really easy. These are 870Fs. This customer is going to run a variety of 4-inch Teflon and then some 6-inch wafers. We have a special rotor design that they can run 6-inch in these tools. So for the video, I'll simply start these 4 heads and you can watch them run. Alrighty, so while these systems are running, I'll go ahead and talk about a remanufacturing process. At Sitek Process Solutions, we do a complete manufacturing. These systems were built like new. They probably look new because we do all brand new poly, as you can see. These light indicators only work with the slick device. That's why they're not being actuated now. But when we have the slick device, they will be working. So we're just kind of running the systems now. On these systems, these are called these are for 260 bowls. If you go to our website at sitekprocess.com, we have 100% spare parts for all these systems. We offer everything. We offer the motors, the sensors, the heater blankets, the ACR valves, the brand new controllers we ship. So anything and everything on these systems we can offer 100%. These are 4 temporary rotors. The customer actually is going to get rotors that will be sent in a couple weeks. They're being manufactured new. But again, the rotors and the slick devices are $0 line items, so they're not even chargeable. The key thing is getting the 2 double stacks out. I have a kind of a typical process here where I'm doing a rinse, then there's a purge that blows the water out of the DI nozzles. We go into dry 1, which is a high RPM, shorter duration dry, and then we go into dry 2, which is a lower RPM, back down to 500 RPM. And then we do a longer dry, and this time I believe I have 210 seconds programmed in, which is about 3.5 minutes. But the systems are running nicely. They're in excellent condition. You can see this system is still in the rinse mode. I forgot I put on a little bit longer rinse on these ones as we're going through the burn-in cycle. These systems have ran for the last 3 days through our burn-in cycle. They are in excellent condition, and the customer will be happy just like they are with our past tools. And what happens after you go into dry 1, you drop into dry 2. Again, these controllers don't look the same of the brightness, only because they're temporary controllers for the customer, just for our testing. But now we're dropping down to 500 RPM. The 101 controllers, unlike the slick devices, ramp up and ramp down much slower than our slick device controllers, which is fine. Also, it's kind of hard in the video. Sometimes it looks like the rotors are spinning weirdly because of the refresh rate on the camera, but they're all running perfect. Okay, now this double stack is in dry 1 now, and it's got about a minute there, then we'll go into dry 2. I talked about our support. What we do at Sitek, besides being the premier worldwide supplier of spin rinse dryers and spare parts support, we also we own the Vertec product line. That would be for the Vertec spin rinse dryers. So if you have any spare parts needs for the Vertec, if you have any controller repairs, any amp repairs, you can send them to us. We can do that. When I talked about the spares, I should have also talked about that on the semi-tool product line, we offer complete service. We do the motor rebuilds, the servo amps, controller repairs. We always have lots of controllers being repaired, lots of servo amps being sent in. Looking good, okay. So we offer 100% spare parts support. One thing we also do, we do quite a lot of actually nowadays, is customers send us their systems. I was just back in shipping and receiving, and I saw 2 heads arrive. Well, customers send us their actual head assemblies by themselves. They just take it out, put it in a box, and then we do a complete remanufacture of that head, full quality control, just like it was our system, and then ship back to them. A lot of companies that have had rinser dryers for 20 plus years, they have a purchase cycle with us where they'll send us 1 or 2 units. We do our refurbishment, we send them back, and over the 2 to 4 year time frame, they end up refurbishing all the heads inside of their wafer fab. Okay, now we're into dry 2. As I said, this one is all the way down. It's been down. We moved into dry 2 here. We have 182, so we have 3 minutes to go. So it'll be just a little while. Part of our wet processing line also, we also do quite a lot of the Floorware Integris box washers, the 8000 all the way to the 8030. If you go to our website, you'll see we have a wide range of spare parts and service for that. We actually do quite a lot of fab mini retrofits of customers' tools or a mini refurbishment program to replace a lot of these defective parts. One of the other product lines that we do, and I know we have 2, actually we have about 4 now, we do a lot of the single wafer mask and wafer scrubbers. That would be the Ultratech, Ultra T, K&S type scrubbers. On our website you'll see quite a lot of those. At the end of the process, what will happen is the systems will upright what we call home position. That means the rotors will go to 12 o'clock, so they're straight up. I'll hear the door release and I'll be able to open up. First I'll feel for the hot end too, and then I'll go ahead and look at the cassette of wafers. All right. This system is winding down. Okay. All right. Feel for the LPP, that's low pressure purge, that's on. Wafers look good, cassettes are warm. Nice. This cassette, I just ran a half cassette. Feel for the LPP, yep, right there. And looks good. We have about a minute left on this system, and then we'll be able to go. We have quite a lot of tools in final test. This being the last week and a half of the fiscal year, we are trying to push out about, I think it's 6 double stacks in the next 5 days. So we're very busy. These systems look fantastic. Okay. One thing I forgot to say is, I'll squeeze by here. On the back of the machines, we have a serial tag. We have our information, our URL, also the serial numbers. If this system happens to be SRD 01566, and the one next to it is 01565, and they were manufacturing date was December 2023. So each one has a serial tag on the back. All right, we're going to wind down now. Okay, hear the door release. There we go. Feels good. All right, looks great. Those look good. Let me feel for the low pressure purge. Yep, I can feel it. Feels good. All right, that will conclude this very short prior to ship video demonstration. We do this because these units are shipping overseas. We actually video all tools, even Sitek, but especially international tools, because we want to show the condition of the tool when it left our site prior to being crated. We'll document the crating process later today for the customer. They're in excellent shape. Again, today is December 18th, 2023. My name is Jim Mullany. If you have any questions, you can feel free to call us at 916-797-9000 and ask for anyone in our sales department. Thank you.